Jai Hind all of you. Today's our class 6 champ will be here performing activity about the root system, shoot system and flower system. Here they all our champ will be described each and every parts of plants and flower. So definitely it will be helps to you all for understanding about flowering, about flower, about root system, about shoot system. So let's start one by one in a group. Our champs here starting performing activity. Okay, so group now I will invite to group number first for performing their activity. So welcome to group number first.
Root is a part of plant which lies under the soil.
There are two types of root. First, a taproot, a main root of the previous root of a taproot system. Second, a fiber root, a root, a main thin branches, a stem of parents.
It is absorbing water and mineral on the soil. I am Shruti hosting shoot system. Shoot system is the part of plant above soil and it has leaves, branches, roots and flowers.
Leaf is green color and it is called the kitchen of the plant. It has three parts. First, stem, second, lamina, third, petiole.
Blade leaf is also known as lamina. It consists small branch of leaves and veins.
Flowers. Flowers are modified shoots which is connected by the stem through this part called petiole.
Sepals. Sepals give support to the flower.
Mostly 5 sepals in our flower, but not all flower.
Petal. Petal is the second part of a flower. It is a different color. It is also known as pankudi in Hindi. Petal attract in honeybee, butterfly and bird.
It attracts honeybee, butterfly and bird to collect for nectar and pollination.
Stamen is the main part of flower.
Anther is part of stamen and considered by filament and filament. Filament connect anther to flower. Pistil. Pistil is the fourth part of flower. It consists 3 parts. First, stigma, second, style and third ovary.
First, stigma is a funnel-like structure that connects in male and female part. Second, style is a tube-like structure.
Ovary is a bulb-like structure of a female part. Here, polygrains are gummed and fused from female part and make fruit. Inside the ovary, ovules are present that make seeds.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. Here our brilliant champ student of class 6 of NMS. Here they describe or performing activity about the plants, root system, shoot system and entire part of the flower. Here they all have easily known as the each and every parts of the root and shoot and the flower. So thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Chhattisgarh.